Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am loving this journal, you all. I have been making it, almost getting close to being finished. I need to do kind of the final decorating touches, put some trim and lace and, figure out what ephemera I want to add in here. But I wanted to just show you the progress so far. So I just made this one 2 signatures. I just thought it would be simpler that way. It still has a ton of pages in it. So I'm just going to kind of do a flip through here. I got a little pocket with stitching around it. I don't know if I should zoom in a little bit more. Let me try. See if that's a little bit better. And this is the Golden Egg book. It's a cute little story. And I have ledger paper in here, some doily, some really pretty scrapbook paper. I have some tucks in here, and I did quite a few sewing elements. I thought this was cute, April Showers music paper. And then of course, I kept the original story and sprinkled it in between all these other pages. Some more ledger paper, some old school paper, another little tuck, and I'll fill up this glassine with some goodies. And I don't know if I'm going to attach it onto this page or not. I haven't decided. And then this is a fun little side pocket with this pretty embossed, what is this, type of see-through paper. Some really cute little tucks and some old book page, another pocket. This is a fun little fabric flip here. And then here I glued these two together to make a side pocket. And then this is a little poem, My Bunny. And then on this side it has these beautiful, this is from a vintage magazine book, and I just love it. I think it's so pretty. And then the back side of the poem. And then here I cut this in half and made a pocket, and then I'm going to add something here to make a side pocket. And then I love this little, you can slide, basically a tuck, slide through there with the transparency paper there. And then here's the other side, another side tuck. And here's another little tuck. And these bunnies are so cute. I love these bunnies. More decorating. And then here's the back side of this signature. And again, this paper is just so cute. Cute, cute, cute. The music paper, another pretty little card, another really pretty image. And then here I did sew on a glassine. There's a pocket here, and then you can store stuff inside. And then another pocket. And then the second signature, again, really pretty scrapbook paper. Another book page. So this one has a bunch of chicks on it. I'll show you. And it has this nice little poem, 10 Commandments for Parents. And some pretty little tucks. Here I've taken a brown envelope and sealed it up and then made it a side pocket. Here's a little tuck. Love the little carrot paper. And then here I just made a belly band out of this image, just so you can see how that looks. More ledger paper. Isn't that little duck so cute? And here's just a little pocket. You can see what that looks like. Again, more sewn elements. A side tuck. And then this one, I'm forever blowing bubbles. I just thought that was a cute to add in here. Side tuck. I just love the yellows and blues together. And then I like the yellow, picking up the yellow from the book page, from the story. More of this old school paper. And then another one of these tucks with the sewn elements. And then the center of this, I just love this. It's so pretty. I love the collage effect of it and all the pinks and yellows and blues and greens. And then I did a little pocket on the back. Love the little bunny paper. And another pocket. Another pocket. And a tuck. Look at these, what they're holding the chicks. And this is when the chick comes out. They find each other. And then here I just made a top, really tall pocket that you could see through. And here is the chicks I was telling you about on that vintage magazine page. It's just so precious. And some doily. So yeah, and then the back, I went ahead and covered it. I just love this fabric. So yeah, so that's how it's coming along. It's going to be for sale in my Etsy shop soon when I get done. If you are interested in purchasing it, please leave a comment below or check out my Instagram page and you could message me there if you're interested in purchasing it. All right, thank you all for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you would hit that like button. Y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all next time.